Today, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout period on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So the screen timeout period basically is the amount of time your screen can stay idle before it turns itself off. So to do this, swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access the app menu. Then within this app menu, scroll down and find settings. Here it is, select it. Then within the settings, find the option display and tap on it. Now from here, find the option known as auto lock. So this auto lock option is basically the screen timeout period. So tap on it. Then you'll see a couple of time frames, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, 1 minute and 5 minutes. So choose the time frame you desire. So let's say I want my screen to turn off after 20 seconds. So choose that. And then once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So after 20 seconds, your screen will go off, indicating that the timeout period has been enabled. So that's basically how to enable, or rather how to change the timeout period on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.